Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the stocks weekend video analysis. So it's been another bearish week in the markets. Not the best time to look for any bullish opportunities. So the stocks we have in this weekend analysis are all bearish looking stocks. We're going to begin by looking at Apple Inc. If we go to the monthly time frame first, we can see that December so far has seen a big bearish candle. And if this momentum does continue, we may even see price come down to this area here, which is last year's low. On the weekly time frame, price is heading fast towards this 200 simple moving average. It may use that area as an area of support. If it does manage to break through the 200 simple moving average, then we should see further moves to the downside. On the daily time frame, we can see that price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. If we look at this point here, we see how far price has traveled to the downside. So definitely not looking for any long opportunities here. Again, let's just wait and see whether price can actually break through the 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Next stock we are looking at is Electronic Arts. On the monthly time frame, price at the moment is trading below last year's low. We're seeing strong momentum to the downside. On the weekly time frame, price is trading below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. And again, like Apple Inc., we can see how far price has moved to the downside. On the daily time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. After this gap down through the 200 simple moving average, price has continued lower. We're seeing lower lows and lower highs. So long as this momentum can continue, then we should see further moves to the downside. On the next chart, which is Facebook, we can see that price is heading down towards last year's low, which it may use as an area of support, which it has done in the past. On the weekly time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. We can see December has been very bearish and now broken below this area of previous support. On the daily time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. After price came back to test the 50 simple moving average, we've seen a nice strong move to the downside. Price has now closed below this low, so this confirms a continuation of this bearish move. Last stock for this weekend is Fedex. If we look at the monthly time frame, we can see straight away December has been very bearish and price is now below last year's low. And if we look at the past up to 2008, we can see that this has been the largest bearish candle. If we go to the weekly time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and the past few weeks have been very bearish. On the daily time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving average. Here we see price was heading down, but gradually heading down. Then after price retested the 50 simple moving average, we're seeing strong momentum to the downside, even gapping down around here. So definitely a stock we will be looking to take short-term opportunities. We just need to wait and see whether price will pull back and break down below a previous low support area to confirm a continuation of the downtrend. Thank you for watching our stocks video analysis. We will continue back in the new year. I hope you all have a happy Christmas and a happy new year, and we look forward to trading with you in 2019.